Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end, 'cause you've been a good friend.
Everybody, welcome to another video with the traveling crew. Today we're going to go into a Chinese temple. Have you ever been inside one? Do you even know what's inside there? If you don't, watch till the end because it's going to surprise you. Right, if you're from India or from Thailand or Indonesia or any other place where there are temples, if you've already seen a Chinese shrine, then you probably know what I'm talking about. If you've not, then it's a great video. Watch till the end. Alright? Right outside the shrine, I have to take off my shoes and I'm going to enter this shrine from the outside. It looks beautiful. There are patterns. There's some Chinese letters nicely written on the walls. One thing I see here is called GMC. It is GMC, I think, in Chinese. It's a Chinese tradition where you can find out what's going to happen to you, like a fortune-telling mechanism. So what they have is some bamboo sticks with numbers on them, and they're put in a bamboo glass. So whoever goes into the temple shakes the glass till one of the sticks comes out and falls onto the ground, and then you pick a number, and the number means something. If you can read Chinese, or in this case maybe Thai, there'll be a piece of paper which explains what that number means, or someone there who can tell you what it is. So let's try it. The sticks are not falling off to the ground, so I'm going to pick one. The lucky number I've got is 27. I don't know what 27 means, but I'm going to try it in some lucky game somewhere. Maybe I'll get lucky. Alright, let me just put them back onto that altar. To Y and pay my respects and also make a small donation. Trying to find the exact change. Somehow I feel paying 27 baht into that box there will give me more luck. So let me see if I have the exact change. Found another donation box. I think that's the bigger one where I'll just put some money in. So I donated 27 in the smaller one, and the bigger one will get some more, maybe 100 baht. Entered this temple. I felt some strange feeling of deja vu, like I've done this before. I don't know why, it's irrational, but I felt it very strongly. I'm not Chinese and I don't remember going to any other Chinese temple, but somehow it's a familiar feeling. You can see a pig's head, some fruits, and some sort of alcohol in that bottle. That's an offering. So if any of you are Chinese and watching this video, please let me know what this is, or who is the deity here. I see there is a Buddha there. I don't know if it is Buddha or somebody else, but it looks like. I got a lucky number of 27. So let's see what that means.